Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys why your LG V10 is not getting a signal bar when you go to activate it. So I just went to go activate this phone and I wasn't getting any signal bars. Real simple here. It was driving me nuts. I took the battery off, did all the updates, checked all the mobile hotspots, make sure my data was on, and guess what, guys? It's as simple as this. When I was activating the phone, I put the SIM card in, and then it said waiting to activate your phone, and like an idiot, I left the back cover off. Check this out. These little two prongs touch these two little prongs, and this right here is an antenna, and it needs to catch the tower for the first time with that. Lady told me to go outside. I'm walking around outside trying to catch a tower, holding just the phone without the back piece. So once you do that, and you activate your phone, you need to snap this together, and I think the LG V20s are the same too. So make sure that this is on tight so those two prongs can get contact. Well, how you doing, sir? We're trying to help everybody fix their phone. Alright, so make sure that your battery door is on here, snapped on when you activate it for the first time, and you'll be all set. So I hope this video helped you out, because I spent hours and hours trying to figure out why this brand new phone would not program to the tower. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you out.